to another episode of J.H. Bricks. And today we have Lego set number 75058. It is a Lego Star Wars set. The Lego Star Wars MTT 954 pieces, ages 9 to 12. Bad thing is, Lego sets have to be built. So, how's that? Anyways, so here we go. Let's get 360 of it. Oh! Knocked over Obi-Wan and Qui-Gon. Yeah, that was nice of me. Really cool set. Let's get a close up and look at the minifigures. First minifigure we have is Qui-Gon Jinn. Very nice version of Qui-Gon Jinn. Lego minifigures are Lego Star Wars these are probably the most Lego Star Wars minifigures are probably the most detailed minifigures of 2014, in my opinion. He has a double-sided face. Oh, there we go. Oh no, there we go. That's the best focus there is. Very nice print. Yeah, that's much better, isn't it? And then we have a Naboo guard. I think that's what it's called, right? Naboo security guard. Yeah. And here he is. Back printing. Got a gun. Black hands. There's a little strip of yellow that Lego probably forgot to print over, but it's okay. Last but not least, Padawan Obi-Wan Kenobi. Orangish hair, which is not like it looks more orange in the camera than it is. It's kind of like an orangish brownish hair. He's got back printing. Qui-Gon Jinn also has back printing, but it's just like his. And he has a double-sided face, which is more like when he's like fighting Darth Maul after Qui-Gon gets stabbed. No! That was embarrassing when I said no. Anyways, let's keep it close up and let's look at the set itself. I have not know where to start. Let's see, the first feature of the set is probably going to be the best one. This. Other MTTs. But sadly, this one just has 6 droids. But I wish it could be bigger, but this set is better than a lot of other MTTs. Now, another feature. There is. Just put these flaps down. Spring shooters on that side. Let me fold this in. Yeah, that's better. There's spring shooters on both sides. Yeah. So you can take out Jedi. But sadly, but look at here. The Jedi's have lightsabers. Yay! And you open that up. Out comes a pilot droid. That's a very interesting technique that they just put their feet right there. I'm leaving everything out so you guys can like see what it looks like when it's all open. Yeah. Out comes a gun rack when you fold that down. Other side. You have a repair droid. And the last feature that is my favorite, and probably is going to be everyone's favorite, is fold this up, and there is a staff. I mean, that's crazy. That's 2 cannons right here, and a battle droid on the right here. Yeah. I mean, yeah. It's just yes. And this is it all opened up. Very big set. Very big set. Close everything up. And
like.
This is probably going to be one of the best sets of 2014, other than the AT-AT, because it has so many features. If this one combined with the previous one, if this one was combined with the previous one, the one that had like no, not that droid carrier called the Battle of Naboo, but the previous MTT. Yeah. If that was combined with this, then it would be like the best set ever. I mean, yep. It's almost 2015, so it's kind of a bad time to be reading these sets, but hey, it's Christmas. We get the Pale of Lego sets, right, Johnny?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was actually, you got this for Christmas, right?
Yeah.
Great sets. Really recommend it. $80, I think. 80 or 95. Who knows?
I think it's 95.
I'm going with 80, but we don't know. Anyways, we will see you on another episode of
JH.